In this demonstration, you learn how master data serves as a source of the data in the sales order. When you create a sales order, you can review the source of its data. By using the classic view for a sales order, you can directly navigate for the sales order to the master data. Choose Manage Sales Order. Manage Sales Order. Classic, this one. Choose Create Sales Order VA01. Enter all air as order type. Standard order. Choose Continue. You do not complete organizational data. Enter, for example, MBDA as customer, has sold to party, and demo has customer reference demo. No further data exists yet in payment term, in Incoterm in Incoterm. Right now, you confirm. After you confirm the customer data entry, the payment terms and Incoterm fields fill automatically. No one had to enter the data. They were proposed from the customer master data. To find that source, you can directly navigate from the order to the customer master data. For that, choose oh wait. I go to the detail. Business partner. Yeah, sold to party, bill to party. Like this. You are able to navigate to the sold to party, ship to party, payer, bill to party. So different option to do that. First one is to go to the detail and then go to the tabulation partner. You can do also sales to go to either and partner, or like this environment display sold to party. You have different way to go to display the sold to party. I select display sold to party. Now you can observe the customer master data, or more precisely, the business partner in the app customer business partner role. The relationship between the business partner and the customer master is explained in some other video, but don't worry, we will see all these things in my YouTube channel. So here we focus on the origin of the data, payment term and Incoterm. The payment terms and Incoterm are sales area specific data. For that, choose sales and distribution to review the sales area data. So it's very simple. You are there. You display in this BP role, you see FLCU01 customer. If you do not see the code FLCU01, go to settings and go to visualization and have a look to the drop down list. Show drop down list with key and drop down list by their key. Okay. Sales and distribution. Then choose billing. Have a look. You can have different sales area. Key PC is this one, but a customer can be managed with several sales area or for several area. So let's continue. Choose distribution billing. As you can see, I display that I see the Incoterm is 2000. My Incoterm is X work. My Incoterm location 1 is Villeurbanne. My payment term is NT15. So if I choose back to return to the order creation screen, I see that exactly the same information. So that confirms that everything is true. So next one, I enter a material. For example, TG11, order quantity, no, 4. I will go back, ATP, nice. Perhaps I didn't manage this one. Material description, okay, ATP. Flow tries that one, and the order quantity is 1. So have a look to the message. You enter material and the order quantity. No further data such as plant or net value exists yet. After confirming the material data entry, fields such as plant or and net value automatically filled. It depends if you have managed previously the condition price record, but I will see you again. Nobody had to enter the data. They were proposed for the material master data. To find where they're sourced, you can directly navigate from the order to the material master data. So, for example, you have this message, take minimum order quantity 100 pieces into account in item 10. It means this message coming from data complete in the material. But I click on enter. And I will enter TT11, also 1 pieces. So, if I have a look, I go to the detail of my sales order. I'm going to shipping. As you can see, I've got directly my plant is filled, and I will have a look to the condition. For the moment, I nothing for price. I will show you how and when. So, stay focused, for example, on the material data. We go to the menu and we want to display the material. Again, different way to display the material. If I want, I go to environment, display material, but I select my line. I want to display, for example, the ATP 100. Environment, display material. Now the material master data is displayed. Here you can observe the data for delivering plant. If you choose conditioned, okay, I would like right now to complete the condition price because I don't have this information, but I see that the delivering plant is KP01. So material, okay, here we are not able to modify. So if I open a new window, I will be able to show you how the price is defined. But stay focused, for example, for the plant. I go back to my sales order. If I choose condition right now, I go for the ATP 100. I have 2 options to define the price. As you can see, I don't have any price. I save my sales order. I display what is incomplete. For example, cross weight, net value, net weight. I don't have any weight into my sales order. So, okay, it's a really good exercise. I save. Okay, right now I complete this information, price and weight. I go to, for example, the transaction MM02. I change my material. I go to the TATP or, for example, TGTJ11. I go to basic data because for example, the dimension way coming from the basic data of the material. Then I go to sales organization. I proved continuous, like for example, for my plan KP01 and my sales organization KPC. Right now, I complete the information. Okay, I see that the weight is defined. It's good. So right now, I'm going to my sales organization. I click on condition, and for example, I enter for one pieces, the price will be 150. Okay, I go back. So, and I save. I do it for the ATP. ATP. Okay, TATP 100. I go to the basic data and I complete like this. And I save. Right now, if I go to the transaction DA01, it's exactly the same things that previously, or air, MB, M, MBDA, demo 2. I complete, for example, TATP 100 and quantity 1 pages. Okay. As I did not define any net value, I still have not active value. So enter right now the TG11 quantity 1 pages. So right now, as you can see, I've got a price. If I select my line, I go to the detail, I go to the price. As you can see, PPR0, I click on, I'm in the header. I select condition, I'll analyze, and I go to the PPR0, and I see the information 100 is coming from my KPCs, distribution, and material. I go to the cells A, cells B, okay, and if I go to the chipping tabulation, I see that I've got my net weight and my gross weight. It's good, it's coming from the master data. If I go to the detail also, automatically I see that the information weight and volume is complete. That is coming from the master data. I save. I know that I've complete the information about the net value on, in this case, for example, I decide that it's free of charge, like this. The new pricing, and if I save, my order is complete. So that concludes this demonstration about the source of data for sales document. Focus on business partner and motto is really, really important that complete all the information required for the sales document.